Mark Golding, the honest leader the PNP needs. Let's be frank, the question of Mark Golding's future as PNP leader isn't just about loyalty, it's about results. Yes, Golding has brought stability and a certain calm presence to the party. He's intelligent, disciplined, and by all accounts committed to service. Many in the PNP will tell you that he represents honesty and a refreshing alternative to the combative politics Jamaicans have grown tired of. He is a man of integrity, someone who does not have to steal or cut corners to enrich himself, because he already comes with his own wealth and stability. That means his focus is not on self-gain, but on serving the Jamaican people. The question of whether Mark Golding should remain as leader of the People's National Party is one that has stirred plenty of debate. On one hand, supporters argue that he has shown steady leadership, offering a clear vision and a calm hand in turbulent political times. They say he deserves the chance to continue building on that foundation. But critics point to the setbacks at the polls and question whether his leadership style truly connects with the broader Jamaican electorate. They ask, can the PNP regain the trust and enthusiasm of the people under his stewardship? Or does the party need a new voice, a new energy to chart the course forward? Ultimately, the decision rests with the delegates and the wider membership of the PNP. What is certain is that the party cannot afford prolonged division. Clarity and unity will be essential if they are to mount a serious challenge in the years ahead. The PNP now needs focus and determination. And in my view, Mark Golding is the man to lead the party forward. He has the temperament, the experience, and the vision to restore confidence in the People's National Party and reconnect with the Jamaican people.